Want to appear offline in Roblox? In 60 seconds I'll show you exactly how. First, open Roblox and click your profile avatar in the top right corner. Next, open the gear icon and choose Settings from the drop-down. Switch to the Privacy tab in the left menu to see your online presence controls. Under Privacy, find Who Can See My Online Presence and set it to No One or Off. Save changes if required and reload Roblox to make sure the new setting takes effect. To verify, ask a friend or use a second account to view your profile. They should see you offline. On mobile, tap the three lines, go to Settings, then Privacy, and toggle your online status off. If you still appear online, try logging out and back in or clearing the app cache to force the update. Also check chat and game invite settings so friends can't see activity through those channels. Quick recap: Profile, Settings, Privacy, set online presence to no one, then verify. If this helped, subscribe for more fast Roblox tips and tricks.